Welcome, friends. Welcome to Orbit of Joy Signature Workshop Orientation. Yes, this is an orientation video to make you familiar about what do we do at Orbit of Joy Signature Workshop. So, quick introduction about myself. My name is Parag Bhayani, and I am the catalyst of Joy. I'm B Mechanical and I'm MBA in HR. I'm a certified project manager from US as well as UK and NLP certified professional, certified technology professional. I've been doing technology trainings as well as life and business coaching over the last 26, 27 years. And out of my own passion, I do a lot of bicycle rides. Yes, and Go Green Ride with Pride is an initiative I run, and I have done about 11,000 kilometers of cycling in last about 5 to 6 years over 9 states of India. So, what are our offerings? Our offerings are Orbit of Joy Signature Workshop. That's for the age group of 23 plus, yeah, onwards. And the primary objective here is to simplify the life. I believe that life gets messed up once we start working. We have multiple priorities and it gets complicated. So how do we simplify? And hence I say that this is a breakdown maintenance of the life. Orbit of Joy Young Minds, and that is an early stage where we can make the preventive maintenance for the age group of maybe around, let's say, 14 to 22, and that's where we can start planning for the life. And it's more of a preventive maintenance, and maybe have the life which we would like to have most prioritized. We also have Orbit of Joy Saplings. That's where we have age group of 12 and 13, and here we believe we can make a design changes and we can install the thinking of the language of goals. So our focus in this video is Orbit of Joy Signature Workshop. So what are our mission, values, and role? Our mission is simple. We want to be the joy, we want to spread the joy, and we want to help you become the ambassador of joy and experience the joy of your life. Our values are to provide and make you familiar with the right knowledge and the complete knowledge. And my role is the catalyst of joy. Yes, I'll accelerate the speed of you achieving your goal faster than ever before. So what are typical midlife crises? Maybe do you experience midlife financial crisis, or do you experience midlife career choices, career dilemma, dream jobs? Or are you experiencing some promotional issues, job switching? Yes. Or are you experiencing, the challenges in the front of maybe increase in your salary, the paycheck? Yes. Or as we probably get into the midlife with multiple priorities ahead of us, yeah, we probably have sometimes health scare and we want to probably set our health as a priority. Are you experiencing any relationship stress? Many people, the research says that in midlife go through, rigmarole of the relationship stress. Or family priorities, the dream vacation, yeah, family outing. Or are you being stressed on maybe the relatives and friends front? Or maybe are you looking to probably upgrade your skills, the knowledge, and you are having a typical educational demands at your midlife? So this is how the real life runs. Real life is completely confused, messed up with multiple priorities and multiple choices around, and we are messed up with this, overlapping priorities. So what does the workshop do? After the workshop, you will be able to compartmentalize and simplify your life by putting appropriate priorities to the various aspects of your midlife. And after the workshop, you will be able to install lifelong new habits. And these new habits can give you repetitively the best results as you probably unfold the journey of your future life. So, what the workshop is all about? Let me ask you a question. If you were not an artist, would you be able to draw something? Probably not. But what if I give you a template of, let's say, Ganesha's idol? Would you be able to, use that stencil and make a drawing of Ganesha's idol? Of course, yes. So, workshop also provides as a stencil, or you can say maybe as a template to achieve all the dreams and maybe the objectives and the goals of the life. So, we begin with identifying your dreams, convert those dreams or rather picturize those dreams because our right brain understands the pictures, and once we satisfy our right brain, and create the new possibilities. We want to satisfy our left brain. And left brain needs the numbers, left brain needs the deadline, left brain needs the specifics. Yeah, so we do the goal setting. And after setting the goals, we want to make sure that we achieve these goals faster than ever before. So how do we go about having a roadmap to achieve our goals? So workshop is a holistic approach. We are not just solving a financial problem. I'm not just trying to solve your health problems or relationship problems or job problems, salary hikes. No, it's a holistic approach to the life as a whole and experience happy and healthy life. So as much as we know what the workshop is, it's important to know what the workshop is not. Workshop is not any kind of a discourse and you come here and probably listen to me for the next 20 hours and probably, yeah, you are just listening, listening, listening. No, not at all. Workshop is not a motivational talk where I excite you for those 20 hours and then after 20 hours you are back to the normal where you were, So it's not a motivational talk. It's not a neuro-linguistic programming. It's not some Zumba dancing we are going to do here. It's not a stress management or it's not about how to make money fast. No, workshop is not any of these. Rather, workshop is what I said. It's a new habits, new way of probably prioritizing the life and making sure that we achieve every dream of our life. So what's the flow and the format of the workshop? Workshop is highly action and result oriented. It is a workshop. So you'll be doing a lot of work here and you will probably be getting the results eventually. So where do we begin? We begin with adjusting our focus. Before taking the best shot, we want to make sure that our focus is right. So I administer a questionnaire and you answer the questions for yourself. And the answers are highly confidential. I will never ask you to share those answers with me, but this is a proven questionnaire used by various top B schools, and you get the priority of your life. So, after knowing the priorities, we want to visualize our future state, and we do the visualization of our maybe the new reality. And then we use our proven model of AGSLV. Using this model, we want to set every goal of your life. As you prioritize, we want to set the goal. And then using this model, we also want to generate the blueprint. As you probably go and buy a new house, what do you get? You initially get a blueprint of your new house, and eventually you get that future, maybe the house. Similarly, here, we are helping you to design a blueprint of your future. In the past, you just had a life as it came and it unfold and you probably complicated, but now the life is going to be different. You will have a blueprint of the life as you move forward and you can then walk over to that blueprint of the life and get that desired life which you always wanted. So, what is a typical workshop schedule? The workshop begins with adjusting our focus. That's typically on day one, and where I administer the questionnaire, you answer for yourself, and after that, I'll be giving you some homework, which you'll be doing at home. Yes, but you'll be working for yourself every day for about 20 to 30 minutes as you start unfolding or maybe I would say planning the future life, and that would probably be about 5 to 7 days of homework, and then we come back to the class where we go ahead and administer the AGSLV model to set up your goals and then generate the blueprint of your future life. So that's on day 2 and day 3. Every day it's going to be approximately about 6 hours, and we come and probably complete the blueprint of our future life. So time to look at some quick success stories. Kailash Sharma, he attended in April 2019. Prior to the workshop, he was pursuing PhD, but as you know, the typical PhD program runs very long. And in his case, it was getting complicated and he was unable to finish. It went over 7 years. And after the workshop, he could prioritize it. And just in about 3 months, he finally got awarded doctor's degree and he became Dr. Kailash Sharma. A lady, Aparna Upasni, she attended in April 2017 with a goal of becoming a certified German teacher. So she wanted to pursue a course from IGNU and get herself certified. And the good news, September 2020, she is a certified German teacher. Rajiv Parekh, he attended in April 2017 at the age of around 53, 54. He had set up a goal of, owning a luxury car, Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Yeah, and 9 months down the line, guess what? I get a call saying, you should be knowing this first. We have bought today Mercedes Sports Edition C Class. Wonderful. Madhurima Neil Patil, she attended in April 2018, early age of, early phase of the career. She had that typical goals of salary hike, the promotion, adventure bike tour. She came along with me. Last December, we went from, Mount Abu to Delhi and owning an ambassador car. And guess what? In less than about year and a half, she nailed most of her goals, what she planned for. Devang Ambavi attended our first batch of Mumbai in May 2017, and he solved the career puzzle. He was at the dilemma of whether to start his own business. He was working for a big four consulting firm for good 12 years, so it was a difficult decision. But he could prioritize and get that clarity. And guess what? 6 months down the line, after the workshop, he became the proud owner of his own firm, where he now provides the employment for a lot of prospective chartered accountants. Nidhi Agarwal also attended the same batch of Devang, and I'm a big fan of her, and I'm a big fan of all those people who come to the workshop and solve the most difficult puzzle of their life, and that is relationship puzzle. And she solved that relationship puzzle, and she's happily leading her new life in London and with a partner, and she's prospering. So these are a few other people who have attended the workshop and they have nailed their goals. They are the ambassador of the joy, and we are proud to share their stories with you guys. And we are grateful to them for allowing us to share their stories by nailing their goals. So a quick question for you: what is your gut feel about the price of such life-changing workshop? Yes. Any guess? Yes. Some number? Yeah. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now let me tell you our model of the fee. Our workshop fee model is pioneering model. It's very innovative and it's very scientific. We do not decide any fees for you. Yes, I repeat, I do not make a decision of your fees. You have been empowered to decide the fees for yourself. Yes, you can decide the fee for yourself, and that too after completing the workshop. So, depending upon how much knowledge you have gained and how much impact the workshop has created in your life, you have been given a liberty to decide the fee for yourself, and you can transfer the amount as per your convenience. So, we have no fixed fees, no minimum. Many people come back and ask me, Kuch to hoga minimum? There must be some minimum. Please tell us that. There is no minimum, there is no behind the curtains. Yeah, it's absolutely completely your decision after the workshop. Thank you so much for listening to this orientation video, and would love to see you soon. Thank you.